Welcome back for another Fantom price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you areas here on the charts that Fantom needs to continue holding. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Fantom is slightly holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement areas, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area at the time of this recording we have fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place for the second wave, and soon we can see a reaction of the target area and start gearing up impulsively to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. And all this is playing out after we saw the massive crash on the 10th of June in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.2139 mark. And afterwards, we started a very nice recovery to the upside, where we first picked in this 1-2 setup, having the wave 2 fully maximizing minimum retracement areas. Then we started gearing up impulsively, obeying the Elliot structures, where we have now picked in the formation of this wave 1 and seen a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2. And the minimum target area for the second wave, I came up with it by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.88, which is a target area that we have now fully maximized. And in my past videos, I have been saying to you that Fantom needs to continue holding within this blue target area, because the moment we see maybe a daily close outside of this blue target area, then that will be suggesting a more bearish scenario here on the charts, where we can expect further retracement in a move that could give us a pullback, maybe giving us a reset of the 10th of June lows at around the $0.2123 mark. That is a scenario that we need to have in mind in case we see a break below these, that is out of this blue target area to the lower side, and maybe see a daily close outside of this blue target area, which lies between the $0.2881 mark and the $0.2566 mark. So let's be watching that target area, and in case we see a reaction of the target area and start gearing up to the upper side, see a break above resistance at around the $0.3075 mark, maybe get a successful retest, then there are high chances that we are going to continue gearing up, see a break above significant highs, and fully maximize our minimum target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Fantom chart on the short term. And if I zoom out on the charts to give you my long-term analysis, still basing it on the Elliot structures, you can see that after seeing our November lows, we picked in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.65 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and soon we are going to start gearing up impulsively in the formation of that wave 3, where I'm expecting Fantom to see a break above the $1 mark in the formation of that wave 3. And before all that plays out, we first need to see Fantom give us a complete 5-wave structure here on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure. And the moment we see such a scenario on the charts, then that is enough confirmation that the start of that impulse in that wave 3 has now started, and we have a low in place for the second wave. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term and also on the long term. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 43 mark, Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.